Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Crypto Warriors again. So in this video, I'm going to review BitRock blockchain crypto project. It's not a review. I'm going to cover everything about this project, like is it potential or not for the in short term or in the long term. That's it. Now before, this video is not for any financial advices and I'm not a financial advisor, so let's start. Alright, so in this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give your valuable times. Now as you can see the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is, as I said, BitRock blockchain. Now guys, before I'm going to start the review, let's see what is BitRock. And obviously guys, this crypto project which is now very popular in the crypto space, and we can say that this is the happiest crypto project right now in crypto space. Now as you can see, build without limitations. BitRock is an Ethereum IBF 2.0 proof of authority sidechain with near zero native gas fees and lightning speed block times. On top of having a cost-effective, scalable, and high-speed infrastructures, BitRock will have a unique multi-chain DEX swap where cryptocurrencies can be traded directly on their native chains without the need to use DEXs native to all those chains. Hold native chains token or pay gas fees in those native tokens. All of the forward can be handled through BitRock native on-chain DEX, and all gas fees is equalized from other chains and paid in BitRock 20. I mean BitRock 2.0, like BitRock 2.0, like we can say that it's their own blockchain, BitRock blockchain. Now you will get their explore and their white paper. Before guys, let's check it out their DEX interface. Like this is the DEX, like which is the name of RockSwap, and you can see their interface which is really amazing, and you will get the exchanges, liquidity fees, staking, token builder, NFT marketplace, and many more you can see, which is really amazing. Now let's see and more. Let's know about more about this project. Now their white paper 1.0, like you will get all information about this project in their white paper 1.0 right now. After their white paper be a 1.2.0, I think you must read their white paper 1.0 for all information about this project. Now guys, as you can see the price of BitRock right now it's 0.11 cents. Actually their total supply which is 100 million, and I think their price which is so much cheaper right now because they have lots of potential things. Their markets, Uniswap, Bitmart and Bitget, like it's already listed on Bitmart and Bitget. So obviously if you haven't enough gas fees, so you can buy it from Bitmart and Bitget and directly connect to chain. This is the chain of BitRock, like the BitRock network is now live and can be publicly accessed. BitRock supports all EVM deployments and tools such as MetaMask, Trapo, and Ethereum bytecodes. The BitRock network can be manually added on MetaMask. Like you can see the mainnet, and you will get the tested also, like the network name, RPC, URL, also the chain ID and symbol. So you can check it out for yourself. Now build on BitRock blockchain. What you get if you the project will build on BitRock blockchain, like fast, secure, and stable, near zero gas fees, EVM compatible. So this is amazing, like near zero gas fees, which is really amazing. Like as you can see the GWEI. Also their BitRock is BitRock is built for scalability, security, and speed. 2 seconds block time, like you can say 12,000 TPS, which is really amazing. Now the partnerships, as you can see the partnerships in their project, like it's like the partnership, it's really normal right now. I don't know why. I hope that they will partner with lots of big to the projects as soon as possible. Right now this pixel that's still old, like as you can see DexView and like Gecko terminal and many more you can see. Now guys, let's see the roadmap. We need to analyze the roadmap because they are already started. They are working with according their roadmap, which is really amazing, and you can see the phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4, like phase 5 also, which is really amazing, and we can say that lots of things coming in the future. Right now I think they are all phase 4, like CMC and CZ listings. After that, mainnet integration with various exchange and platform which is incoming, and the tier 1 and 2 centralized exchange listings, multi-chain DEX release, first project launch on BitRock chain, marketing campaign too. Also in the like phase 5, they are doing press release, marketing articles published, major on platforms, partnerships with marketing agency, BitRock chain for docs projects, more to be announced. I mean, Web 2.0, which is coming soon. So this is really amazing, and they are already, guys. They are. This is a solid tool, but we can say they are not at the team just working according the roadmap, which is really amazing. Now the tokenomics you can see in the website, like the total supply, which is only 100 million. Their buy and sell fees 4%, and you will get the development liquidity and development 2% liquidity 1%. And the tokenomics is also good, I think, for buy sale 4% fees. It's normal as a to the project. Now buy with Force. Like Force is a safe and secure trading platform. BitRock has partnered with where anyone can use Spear to directly buy cryptocurrencies. BitRock is not available on Force, so you can buy BitRock from Force. Like it's easy, you can buy it from your fiat currencies. As you can see in the last moment, you will get that stake BitRock, like you will get their staking platform already. So if you have BitRock tokens, so you can stake your tokens there, and you will get some. You can generate passive incomes from here. Like you can see everything in the website. Also, you will get their chart and many more. Like you can see everything about this project, like their connect to chain, a live chart, like the live chart, mainnet, and many more. Now, guys, you guys already see their BitRock staking platform. And this is the bridge platform, like you can see their bridge platform. You can bridge from here, like from chain to BSC chain, which is really amazing. And you can see the rock swap also. And guys, now let's analyze their chart. Right now, they are just this chart is just on this zone, like as you can see, like it's just pumping and pumping, and after they are just touch this zone, it's just pump. Now guys, if you are looking for more deep, you need to take your entries up if it's break down like 0.08 cents, and then you can buy it, and you can like it's we can say the cheap or that it will come more like 0.03 cents. Obviously it can be a jackpot for you, because guys, they have huge things, and they are only right now only 100 million supply, and it can be going the next $10. It's easy like 100x. This is my personal like target. Right now, as you can see, the total all-time high, which is 0.30 cents, which is also amazing. So who knows, in the next boulder, my first target, which will be, if this project will alive, then first target will be $10. And I think it's really easy for this crypto project, because they are just doing well marketings, and the team is behind work really hard. So this is right now on the zone, like this is as you can see the chart, which is also amazing. If it breaks just as I said 0.08 cents, like you can take your entries in this step, or like you can buy it part by part, which is absolutely amazing. It can be amazing for your portfolio. After that, like as you can see, it's just like support this zone, like, and then it will propagate. Right now, I hope that if Bitcoin will dump more, I hope that it will also dump more. And if it's break 0.08 cents, obviously you can pick this project. Obviously, guys, this is not for any financial advice, as I said in the past. So kindly note it. So now let's check it out there. CoinGecko, like as you can see the price, which is now 0.1 cents, like 10 cents, like you can see, and you will get their contract, their website, their Twitter, their Telegram, and many more. And you can see something about their like their statics, like their all-time low, all-time high, and many more. Also, you can see the chart in there. Also, guys, you can see the markets, like you can see their from volume 24-hour volumes, and they have up like great volumes in unlike in Bitmart and BitRock, which is also amazing. So yeah, now let's check it out their X profile. Now guys, as this is, as I said, it can be a potential project, and now guys, you can see only 9,320 followers, like 12 followers in their X profile. This is a really bit low as potential blockchain. If they are doing marketings like that, obviously they will reach to 100 1,000 followers as soon as possible, and I hope that it will soon in 2023. Like, this is a personal opinion, and when just you can imagine that when they get 1,000, like 100,000 followers in the Twitter, like, just imagine the price. What will the obviously it will break their 88. So obviously, if you buy this zone now, if they are just reach their all-time high, you will get 2x profit, which is absolutely in short-term gain. Obviously, guys, in the next bull run, it can be to 100x, 200x. This is a personal opinion, because you can see they have lots of things in timings in according their roadmap, which is really amazing. And you can see they are obviously doing great, like they are just doing well marketings, like their workshop, which is launched, like you can see everything in their X profile, and they are just doing AMA with various communities, like, which is also amazing, and they are doing giveaways. I mean, they are just promoting their projects as perfectly, which is also amazing. So that's it about BitRock blockchain. What do you think about this project? Please let me know in the comment section. For more information about this project, you can join the Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto project. Peace.